Woohoo! Can a bird get some sleep?
But it's morning, time to play. Yeah, wake up, hooray!
All right, you win.
Tweet, tweet, hoo-hoo, la, 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 chirp, chirp, hooray!
And then the brave little bird flew home. What happened next?
Yeah, tell us more.
All right. The next day.
Look what I found.
Ooh, is that for me?
Hey, share with me too. Maybe. No fair.
Look, my little ones, this is a bright idea.
Ooh, a bright idea.
Indeed, it can light the way to wonderful things.
Wow.
Look, my young ones, an idea.
Wow, it's so bright.
It will guide us.
Let's follow it. Yeah.
I've got it. An idea. What is it? A way to light up the whole forest.
Wow.
Look, little ones, an idea.
Wow, it's so bright.
Indeed, let it inspire
We
you.
will, yay.
Look, my friends, an idea has sparked.
Wow, what is it?
Tell us.
It's so bright.
Let's explore together. Behold, the spark of inspiration.
Ooh, ah.
Let the ideas flow.
Wow, yay.
Let's go, everyone. Fly high. Keep going.
Don't worry, little one. This leaf will keep us dry.
It's so wet, but I'm glad you're here.
Let's hop to it.